today's recipe, I've taken about 300 grams of chicken. I'm using boneless breast, which I've cut into pieces. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and about 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. Now you could use chicken on the bone too. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder or dhania powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, some salt to taste, and I'm also going to add about half a tablespoon of vinegar. Instead of vinegar, you can also substitute it with some lemon juice or lime juice. Now we got to mix all of this really well together. So this is our marinade, and we're going to set this aside for at least 30 minutes. You could keep it for longer, an hour or two. Now I've taken 2 medium-sized onions, sliced them, and I'm going to fry them in 1 tablespoon of ghee till it becomes nice and golden brown in color. Now here I'm heating 1 tablespoon of ghee, and I'm going to add this marinated chicken to it, and I'm going to fry the chicken really well in this ghee for at least a whole minute. Once that is done, we're going to take the chicken out. Now in the same ghee, I'm going to add a few fresh curry leaves and about 5 dried red chillies. Now fry these really well. And now I'm going to add the puree of 1 medium-sized tomato. I've just put it into my mixer pot and made it into puree. You can also use the ready-made one. Mix all of this really well together. And now I'm going to add this chicken that we fried really well. And then we're going to mix everything nicely together. Now this dish is really very delicious, and it's a real hot favorite at my place. Now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of pepper powder. And I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Now I have a recipe for homemade garam masala. I have linked it in the description box below along with the recipe. So you can just click and go and see the recipe. And just mix everything nicely together. Now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of red chili powder. And again, give everything a good mix. Now this is more of a dry kind of a dish. It doesn't have any kind of gravy. And now we're going to add the fried onions. So fry the onions really well till they're nice and crispy and golden brown, and add that and mix all of this together really well. And now we're going to cover and cook this on a very low flame for about 10 minutes or even 15 minutes till everything really comes together and the aroma of the spices and everything, you'll just come to know that it's going to be really delicious. And I like to have this best with some chapatis or even some rice and dal as a side dish. It's really good, and it tastes even better the next day. And just garnish it with some coriander leaves, and your lovely chicken roast is all ready. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.